divine meditation. Continue sitting easy, comfortable pose. Hands to your knees and keep your back straight. Just witness yourself. Witness your physical body and relax. Relax your face. Relax your shoulders. Relax your lungs. Relax your abdominal organs. Relax your legs. Relaxing your crown. Relax middle of your crown. Soften your breathing. Just feel beautiful divine light surround of you. Beautiful divine light surround of you. Isa Vashyam Idam Sarvam. That divine light exists everywhere, for everybody. We just need to get better to receive that divine light. Just feel as you exhale, you making a space in your body. As you inhaling beautiful divine light and feeling every corner of your body. Let's exhale. Let's inhaling beautiful divine light in your kidneys. You're recharging, improving health of your kidneys with divine light. Exhale. You inhale divine light into your liver. Is healing your liver. Exhale. Inhale beautiful divine light in your digestive organ. You're healing your digestion with beautiful this divine light. Exhale a little more longer. Inhaling into your lungs divine light. Exhale. Inhale beautiful divine light into your heart, physical heart. Exhale. Divine light inhaling into your spiritual heart, middle of your chest. Exhale. Inhaling light into your brain. Exhale longer. Inhaling light into your ear. Exhale. Inhaling divine light into your eyes. Exhale a little more empty. Inhale divine light into first chakra in Muladhara. Exhale, bringing stability. Inhaling divine light into second chakra, opening your creativity. Exhale. Inhale into Manipur chakra, improving power of your manifesting. Exhale, more empty. Inhale divine light into Anahat chakra, activating loving and kindness in you. Exhale, empty, empty. Inhale into Visuddha chakra. You're improving expression, nicely sweet, kind words come out from you for everybody. Exhale. Inhaling into third eye, Agya chakra. You're lightening up your third eye, able to see and experience your past, present, and future. Exhale. Inhale in your Sahasrara chakra divine light. It's lightening up your thousands of petals to connecting to divine light. Exhale. Soft breathing, and just feel thousands of lotus petals of your crown now lightening up and receiving beautiful divine light and moving all toxic out from your body, mind. Just cleaning up. Every cells of your body is lightening up with this divine light. Isa Vasyamidam Sarvam. The presence of divine light is everywhere for everyone. Isa Vasyamidam Sarvam. Continue to experience divine light is healing, healing many generations of lifetime of karma and sanskaras. Now let's return back to your body. Just feel very refreshed, your kidney, your digestive organs, liver, lungs, heart, brain, ear, eye, all is feel lighted up, lightening up with divine light. Let's slowly grow palms in Namaskar Mudra. One Om Tri Shanti together, inhaling. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Namaste. Namaste. You're very welcome to Akhanda Yoga YouTube channel. I'm very proud of you, your deepening yoga practice. Well-being is your birthright. I really like you to join free online platform. There is a beginner to advanced hundreds of yoga videos. Kundalini Yoga, Raj Yoga, Yoga Nidra, Pranayam, many videos are there. I'm really looking forward to practice with you there. Hari Om.